Next one is Jackman framework, right? So Jackman was a person who actually went ahead and got up this framework, and I think then got it patented as well, right? So how Jackman looks like. Again, this is an enterprise architecture framework. How the particular enterprise should be architected, designed, and put forward, right? That is what is Jackman framework. It is just not only talking about security, it is talking about all different parts. Understood, guys? So Jackman framework is the formal and structured way. Like you can say, it's a formal way. We are putting something in a table format, right? So it's a very structured way, right? To view and defining any enterprise with attributes, like these are different attributes: what, how, when, where, why, all these questions. You got it, guys? So these are called as communication questions. Sorry, these are called as communication questions. So this is very like logical. You go and take a piece of your like, for example, what reporting should be set up, how you define reporting. So you do reporting, you ask different type of questions: what, how, where, who, when, why. All these like 6 different questions, right? And then ask these questions from different perspectives. So what are these? These are perspectives. What are these perspectives? Like you ask it from an executive committee, like executive staff. How executive staff look at these questions, right? Then how management look at these questions. Business management. Hey man. Business management look at the same questions. It is the same set of questions. Questions are not changing, right? Then how an architect look at it, right? Then how an engineer means architect is the person who designs something and give, okay, this is the way it has to go, and then engineer implement that, right? Then also need to think about technician who go and fix problems when some kind of problem happens, right? And then enterprise perspective. You think about these questions. What questions? What, how, when, where, all W's, bring in all W's here. And you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 W plus H. What will happen is when you look at any enterprise process or any kind of architecture, asking these questions from different perspective, like from your leadership perspective, from your management perspective, person who is designing that particular thing from that perspective, people who are in operations from their perspective, people who are into management from their perspective, people who are crafting this or architecturing it, or engineers, right, from their perspective, people who are supporting you. When a particular architecture is there, people are in the supporting roles also, right? Look at from that perspective also, and everywhere ask the same questions, 5W1H, right? So what it will give you? It will give you some kind of a structured matrix wherein you document perspectives here, and then you get all these questions, attribute questions here. So this will give you a lot of, like, nothing will be left behind. Understanding Jackman is a very good framework to understand a complex architecture in a very, very simple way. That is why it gained so popularity. It has evolved over time. It has evolved over time. Let me give you a practical feel of it. I will go to, are you guys able to see my browser?
Yes.
Let us go and do some research what Jackman is. You see, everywhere on the internet, you will find like this. Let's see this, right? It looks interesting because there are pictures and all that, right? So the enterprise architecture, now it is little technical side which has been shown to you. We are looking at from different perspective, data perspective, right? Then modeling perspective, logical data modeling perspective, physical data model perspective, data definition perspective. And what are the different components of this entire thing? We are going to ask how, where, who, when, why. Right? How means which function, how this thing works. Then where it is going to be installed. It is going to be installed on network. Then who will be having access? Who all people have access to this? You need to list that down. Then time, when this thing will be done, right? Or this thing will be available, right? Then why people will go and do, what is the end objective, why we are doing it, right? So you see, from all different perspectives, we have listed it, and then different attributes we are putting it here. So that's again a very good, you can say, example. Let me go to its main site. Not much of information you will get when you go here to jackman.com. Little difficult to actually understand. So this Jackman also as a framework, it has grown, it has evolved over time, right? So it is basically a schema. The schema means that matrix which I shown you on the slide. Okay. So the interaction between two historical classifications that have been put for literally thousands of years. The first is the fundamentals of communication found in the primitive. Okay, forget about all that, right? These are the questions which they talk about. This is the official website of Jackman. It is the integration of answers to these questions that enable the comprehensive composition, description of complex ideas, all that. You can see Mr. Jackman here. You can see this same thing what we understood. Okay. So this is all. If you need more insight, go ahead. You can go and get more details about it. But I think for your CISSP perspective, understanding this much is more than sufficient.